हम इंडिया जाएंगे, इकट्ठे जाएंगे. And so he came to pick me up. He's right here, standing right there, smiling as always. Mandy is like we have a joke in the restaurant कि आपने सर आप सबसे टेस्ट लेते हैं जब आते हैं ना रेस्टोरेंट में, तो मैंडी का टेस्ट क्यों नहीं लिया आपने? This was a joke in the restaurant. मैंडी का टेस्ट क्यों नहीं लिया था आपने? सर जब मैंडी आया था, अभी तो it's become difficult to get a job in the restaurant. I said I don't know. खुद मजाक कर रहे कि यार सर शेफ आपने मुझे एक बार भी नहीं कहा कुछ बना के दिखाओ, तो मुझे जरूरत ही नहीं लगी कुछ बोलने की. You know it. And one thing which I feel that which is going to help you in the trade test, and anybody comes to you talking so highly about क्या उनके एडवोकेट्स हैं, उन्होंने फ्रेंच रेस्टोरेंट में काम किया, जर्मन अमेरिका में काम किया और यूके में काम किया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हेड शेफ हैं. उनको एक बोलते नहीं, मैं सुनता रहता हूँ गुड इन दैट. मैं एक ही क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, एक मुझे बात बताएं, आप फुल्का बना लेते हैं? सर नो, दैट्स वेरी डाउन मार्केट. I said yeah, but the question is not down market or high market. Can you make a fulka? And you'll be surprised that most of the chefs find it very difficult to make a perfect fulka. जो मुझे perfect fulka बना के दिखा देगा ना, मैं कहता हूँ यार you understand the 3 T's. Cooking 3 T's पे based है. Temperatures, techniques and timing. मतलब cooking मतलब आप खाना बनाते हैं कि खाते हैं? खाने वाले बंदे में कहते टेस्ट होता है, जो बना रहा है उसकी बात बता रहा हूँ. अच्छा, इन तीनों को अगर ठीक से संभालेंगे तो आपका टी जो खीरला आपको पसंद है ना, टी टेस्ट वाला, तो वो आगे आएगा. कि हर चीज का एक टेम्परेचर है, अगर मैं इसको बहुत ज्यादा उबालूंगा ना एक कड़वा आ जाएगा. इसमें टेक्निक है, टाइमिंग भी इन्वॉल्व है, और एक सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ये इंग्रेडिएंट्स आपकी कुकिंग के. देख लें इसको एक बार.
Get Rashina to help us make some more.
Hi Rashina, ji, aa jao.
And on behalf of Nature's Basket, thank you for coming. Thank you really a lot for coming. I prepared a long speech, but as Bombay traffic was no, I got you much later. But we're really excited you're here. We wanted to. No, I don't need this. We've been chatting. He's been really friendly and very warm and sharing all his stories. Do you guys have questions for him? I'm sure you have tons of questions. So why don't you go ahead?
I just want to ask you what prompted you to name your restaurant Junoon in New York. I mean, normally it's tandoor, rasoi or something to do with food.
Rashina is going to help make more soup.
One of the first introductions in the Bombay food scene. Rashina is the one.
So why did you name it Junoon, Chef?
When people used to hear us talk so much about this, what we do and what we want to do, and it was total obsession. This total obsession for. I didn't want to have something to do something differently. बहुत बार प्रेस में आपने अगर पढ़ा होगा तो बोलते हैं कि why is Junoon so different than rest of the Indian food? I said I did not want to be different. I just want to be part of the whole heritage. I never felt कि I should be isolated and different. अब मुझे शुरू से ये था कि अगर मैं आपको बता दूँ छोटी सी बात, maybe this is going to define the restaurant. पीछे I went back to I was in the restaurant. तो एक मेरा manager, he's like aggressive American, तो उनसे बात कर रहे थे तो एक बार मेरे को उन्होंने बोला कि आपको ना बाहर एक लेडी बुला रही है, she's crying, elderly lady. अच्छा, what happened? मैनेजर कहता, मेरा मैनेजर पहले मुझे कहता है यार मुझे समझ नहीं आती कि हिंदुस्तान जाके तेरे को मिलकर रोते क्यों हैं. मेरे को मुझे आज तक नहीं पता. ठीक है, नलके में पानी है कि नहीं है, आंसू हमेशा रेडी होते हैं हमारी आंखों के. तो कहते कि बुला रही बात. So I said okay, so I go out and to the table. I said I'm really sorry, अगर गलती है कोई लड़के से. So she hold my hand. I look at her and she must be 85 years old, 85-90 years old. I think my grandmother used to cook like this. It was a simple dish of alus. You have named your restaurant totally right. It's total Junoon. This is madness. That you have figured out all the small things, and the food is. If parents come, I am very proud when American जो बच्चे होते हैं ना हमारे जाके वहाँ पे, जब वो अपने parents इंडिया से आते हैं, तो उनको लेके आते हैं तो I feel कि I've passed my test of Junoon. It means that they feel safe to take the parents with me. very high fine dining. I agree. I'm never going to disagree that it's a very expensive restaurant. I never disagree on that. I would rather not use the word overpriced, but sometimes I do use the word it's overpriced.
But I have a question.
Yeah.
How do you stay so healthy? You travel so much, you cook every day. How do you stay this healthy? What is the secret of staying healthy when you're cooking so much?
I am very disciplined. I have this thing I never eat after 9:30. And in the restaurant for so many years, my dinner would always come from Mandy. It's standing there. For how many years? I think 3 years, 4 years, 4 years. My only one person would do my dinner, and that's Mandy. And that was always one big bowl of dal. On the staircase in the corner. This is when the restaurant was the lease signed, there was no place to sit, and I sat on a staircase to eat my first meal there. So, abhi bhi, my thing is that I sit on that staircase, and it's.
You wanted to start a Chana Bhatura stall when you were, I was reading one of your...
That was my dream. That
Yeah,
is
so
Bombay.
do you
Amritsar.
do you plan to start it again?
Hey, baap re.
Everyone's done their homework on you because
No,
you're in
I
so
was
much
actually
trouble.
seeing his interview, one of his interviews online, so that's when I just came across that.
You know, when you were a child, and my brother was very intelligent. मतलब रोने वाला इंटेलिजेंट था वो, मतलब इतना इंटेलिजेंट था कि शर्म आती थी कि दिल नहीं करता स्कूल जाने को. He was number one, always in school, in studies and everything. अब पेरेंट्स डे के टाइम पे मम्मा जब वहाँ से निकली उसकी क्लास से तो मम्मा हंसते हुए आते. मेरी क्लास के मम्मा को एस्मा का अटैक आता था. ये कितना नालायक बच्चा, कहाँ से पैदा किया आपने, इसको फेंक दो, इसको ये करो. So I think I had to prove a point.
So we have a lot of bloggers at the event, and bloggers are influencing a lot of the way we perceive food. So do you have any sort of insights on that, or just want to give some advice on young people who are blogging these days?
The first blogger I met from India was Roshina, standing next to me. I don't.
I was just remembering that day when you met, remember?
The first time we met outside Goa, Portuguese. Goa, Portuguese. I'm as disorganized as always.
I got this call from this random person, okay? And he's like, I want you to come and work on my book. And I was like, okay. Can you meet me tomorrow? Or was it today?
Today.
Today. Meet me outside Goa, Portuguese. I'm shooting over there. So like, we were talking on the road outside Goa, Portuguese while you were shooting Solkadi or something.
Solkadi shoot कर रहा हूँ. Solkadi shoot कर रहा, सड़क पे रख के. And she was like, why did you use a white background? I said, India में